How to update graphics driver in Windows 10. No matter how costly graphics card you have or how powerful graphics card you are using right now, if you do not have the latest driver installed, you will never able to use it up to its best performance. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how to update any graphics drivers manually. Also, how we can update automatically using official websites. This will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Hascrete and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, go to the search bar and type Device Manager and press enter, and a new page will be opened like this. Then tap on Display Adapters, and here we will see that graphics card currently we are using. Like I am using Intel RHD graphics. To update this, simply click on it, then tap on Update Driver. Then tap on Search automatically for drivers. It will take a few seconds, and it will give you the options to update. If not, then it will ask that the best drivers for your device are already installed, but we know that drivers are not installed. So we will simply tap on here, search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and it will redirect to this setting page. Tap here on Check for Updates. Again, it will take a few seconds to check, and it will give you the options to update. If not, tap here on View, Optional Updates, tap on Driver Updates, and here you can see everything was showing up to date, but these drivers are still pending to download. Check all these and press download and install. This is a general solution for all of you, and hope through this your problem will be solved. If not, then open your browser and paste this link in the search bar and press enter. Now we are on NVIDIA's official website. Choose your graphics card specifications, select language, and press search, and our updated official driver file will be ready to download. You can see the release date and more specifications here. Simply download it and install. If you are using Intel's graphics card, then paste this link in the browser and you will head to this page. This is also the Intel's official website. You just have to download this driver support assistant for Intel graphics card. Just download and it will automatically update the graphics for you, and you don't have to bother about anything to download. Also, I'll mention these links in the description so you don't need to worry. If you are using AMD graphics card, then type AMD graphics update auto detector in the search bar and press enter. Then tap on this first link, and most important, this is also the official website. To download, tap here on this link, then tap on AMD drivers and support, and you will head to this page. Now if you are using Windows, then you will download Windows drivers, and if you are using Linux, then you will download Linux drivers, and all the problems will be solved. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.